Are you looking for the best biscuit joiners in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best biscuit joiners that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the EWALT 20V Max XR Biscuit Joiner. After putting a range of biscuit joiners through the paces, the DeWalt DCW682 was the clear winner. This joiner offers cordless convenience, especially ideal for those working at job sites versus in a shop. The tool runs on a DeWalt PowerStack 20-volt battery sold separately, giving you all the amps you need and delivering 5 hours of runtime, which translates to 300 joints or 600 cuts per charge. It's an excellent option for anyone looking to take on DIY projects at home. The fence on the DeWalt moves up and down on a rack and pinion mechanism, ensuring that the fence stays parallel to the blade for accurate joints every time. Some comparable models have fences that struggle to maintain a parallel plane without further fine-tuning, resulting in misaligned joints. While other biscuit joiners can feel top-heavy, this joiner is nicely balanced with the battery acting as a counterweight. The cutting edge height is easy to adjust, and the biscuit size dial is very easy to use. The dust collection allows the use of the bag or a vacuum hose. With a slew of biscuit joiners on the market, Listy chose the DeWalt DW682 for her shop. It has been an incredible tool that I have used for years on hundreds of projects. It is strong, powerful, and does an excellent job on hardwoods and softwoods alike, she says. Up next in the 4th place is the Wenjian 8504 8.5. The hallmark of a great value is excellent performance for a reasonable price, and that's where the Wen biscuit joiner comes in. It's one of the heavier biscuit joiners on the list, weighing almost 12 pounds. Regardless, it can handle a wide range of hardwoods, thanks to its powerful 8.5 amp motor, which is suitable for both beginners and professionals. It comes with everything you need to get started, including a hard case and common biscuit sizes #0, #10, and #20. A removable dust bag attaches to a built-in dust port. The Wen is easy to handle with its comfortable grip and smooth plunge action. Both depth and locking knobs are on the right side of the fence, which is nice so you don't have to use both hands to make adjustments. Your joiner is also covered by a 2-year warranty. Overall, this is a great value for the weekend hobbyist or for occasional use. The 3rd product on our list is the Aoben Biscuit Cutter Plate Joiner 8.5 amp with no. The Aoben option delivers precise and clean cuts every time with its 4-inch carbide-tipped blade that spins at 10,000 RPMs. The fence adjusts to 90 degrees and features 3 preset depth levels to get exactly what you need. While the cutting depth is clearly displayed, the depth dial can be nudged out of place. This jointer has an anti-slip handle and includes a dust bag to keep work surfaces clean. Ideal for the beginner, this joiner comes with a wide selection of biscuits to get you started along with a hard, plastic carrying case. While the Aoben doesn't include a comprehensive manual, there are ample YouTube videos that cover step-by-step instructions to produce 7 different joints, including edge-to-edge joints, frame joints, corner joints, offset joints, edge miter joint, and a T-joint where a fixed shelf meets the sides of a cabinet. Second on our list is the Festool 574432 Domino Joiner DF 500Q set. While not technically a biscuit joiner, the Festool Domino Joiner produces similar joinery, but instead of traditional biscuits, it uses rectangular-shaped tenons called dominoes for rock-solid joinery. You have to have it hooked up to dust collection, as it creates so much dust, and a dust clog can mean a broken bit. This means adding an adapter to your shop vacuum or investing in the Festool CT26E dust collector, which integrates with the Domino and other Festool products. When Festool released its Domino tool in 2007, it was a game changer. It's a floating tenon system with a high degree of accuracy and added strength. The tool has 5 mortising depths, an adjustable mortise width, and a pivoting fence for angled mortises. Instead of a circular blade, this handheld, horizontal oscillating router has a spiral cutter to bore the mortises. The tenon, or domino, is made from solid birch, CPO, or metal, allowing for use in interior, exterior, and breakdown furniture applications, explains Tom Knopfsinger, a veteran woodworker for over 25 years. He chose the Festool for quick and precise workflow, moving from varied joints and wood species smoothly and with speed. Finally, the top product on our list is the Lamello Classic X 1016 Biscuit Joiner. Lamello invented many of the biscuit joining features and techniques you see on the market today. Joining is their niche, so you can bet that their line of tools is the very best that money can buy. The Lamello Classic X 1016 is a reminder of how special it is to handle a high-quality tool. The base plate swiveled front stop and stop square ensures that your tool sits parallel to your workpiece and cuts precisely. This joiner can cut for 12 different kinds and sizes of biscuits without the need to change the cutting tool. It's a little heavy though, weighing in at 10.5 pounds. That said, it's worth its weight in gold. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.